Okay, this is the laundry video. Many of you have written and asked about doing laundry in Europe. We are fortunate. We do have a laundry machine, not like our friends in Africa who wash their laundry by hand. This is our washing machine. It is in our guest bathroom. Here in Europe, you just put them where you can. It holds about 4 kilos of laundry, which is about half the size of American load. It takes anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours to do a load. I do it on the shortest cycle. If you do it on the long cycle, then it takes close to 2.5 hours to wash a load of laundry. It's a very good machine. We are very fortunate that our landlords already had it here and we didn't have to buy one. So keep that in mind. A load is half the size of an American load and takes twice as long to wash. Now let's go find out about drying clothes in Europe. Okay, drying clothes. As you can tell, we are still drying clothes on our dryer rack. This is how we've been doing it since we get here. It takes about 24 hours from the time you wash a load to get it on the drying rack and it drying. Now hopefully when the weather gets warmer, we will be able to put the drying rack out on our terrace, and that will speed up the drying process. We have been fortunate enough to buy a dryer. This is it right here. It is in our bedroom. It is a ventless dryer, which means you can put it anywhere you have a place to plug it in. It's very different. This is called a condenser dryer. Like in America, you have your filter here that you clean out. You have to clean that after every load. You also have a second lint filter down here, which you clean after several loads, and you actually run water over it to clean it out. But the big difference in this dryer and your dryer in America is the water reservoir. The water is sucked out of the clothes. It goes in the reservoir. Take the reservoir to the kitchen, pour it out in the sink. This holds about 4 or 5 liters of water, which is about one load. We don't dry our clothes in the dryer. We still dry them on the rack, and then right now we just use the dryer to fluff. There are a couple of reasons for doing this. One, it takes about 3 to 3.5 hours to dry a load, and that is just extremely expensive to use that much electricity to dry a load of clothes. So we can put it on here on the rack. Has a fluff setting. We fluff the clothes, and then they're nice and soft. So that is wash in Europe, laundry in Europe. Like I said, it takes about 24 hours to complete a load. So we usually do about a load a day. We also have become much more European in the fact that we figured out you can wear things a lot longer than you wore them in America. A pair of pants can be worn a couple or 3 times before you have to wash them. So we have reduced the size of our loads, but we still do a load a day. So anyway, that's laundry here. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will talk to you soon.